Hi guys, thanks for joining me. Those of you who are new, my name is Kim. And guess who has a birthday? Guess who's turning, oh my God, I can't even say it. Yeah, I'm turning 60. 60. Wow, yeah, that's all I have to say about it. I really don't know how to feel about it. I don't have a choice, but on the one hand, it's like, woohoo, I made it. And on the other hand, it's like, oh my God, I'm 60. So, anyhow, I thought, well, let's have a little fun and make some chocolate. I love chocolate covered strawberries and I love some chocolate dipped marshmallows. So, today we are going with the marshmallows. Let's do it. Okay, so I already have the chocolate all melted. And so I figure we could dip in some coconut. And, we got to have birthday sprinkles, right? So this we will also be using. And, well, my sprinkles, I guess I could just sprinkle if I want to use these. I'm not sure yet. I think I'm going to make some chocolate covered strawberries for Valentine's Day. So I don't know if I'll be using these today or not. But just in case, we're ready to go. Okay. I know one thing. I am going to have a good time eating these. I can hear everybody says, oh, there goes her diet. I don't care. It's my birthday. Right? So we're going to give a little squeeze here and put this right in here. Don't even think about it, you. You know Jax. Jax has got to get in on it. Get. All right. Okay, let's see how this is going to go here. Let's go dipping. So I have the melting pot, which is from Wilton, that I got from, oh, maybe that's not a good idea, that I got from Michael's. Why did I think that that was going to be so easy? Okay, well, for my first one, right? All right, I could dig it. Let's see here. Okay, so we're going to figure this out together. I think what I need, hold on, is a spoon. Let's try that. Okay. And you put that stick in all the way to the other end. Give a little swirl. This chocolate's really good how it just stays right to it. Let's try some coconut this time. See how that goes. I'm a mess. And there's that one. Okay. Yeah, so this is the Wilton melting pot. And this is the chocolates that I'm using that you get, all the grocery stores have it. I know a lot of people use the candy melts, but I really like this chocolate. Let's try some little ones here. Some little sticks. Let's get a little crazy with that chocolate too. Hmm. Oh, now it's dripping. It's okay. Maybe I gotta ease up on that chocolate a little bit, right? Happy birthday to me. I love coconut. Love coconut. So I think my favorite ones actually are going to be the coconut. I'm going to get a little crazy on this one and do both. Yeah, I sure did. Sprinkles and coconuts. Why not? Why not? Okay. And I give a little squeeze, give a little poke, give a little swirl. Because who's getting into it now? Yeah. Uh, I'm thinking it could be. Oh, yeah. I'm going to do it. Yeah. Oh, ah, look at that. I don't know. It looks pretty good from where I'm standing. I don't know how it looks to you, but it's all about the fun, peeps. It's all about the fun. Get my little chocolate paddle, which by the way is a herb stick. Okay. Oh, that one's. I wonder if I happen. I'm gonna just rub it along. Oh, look at that. It kind of makes some swirls when you rub it along the side of the. Okay, that was cool. I like these cake pop stands. I got this. I'm an Amazon girl. I got this a couple years ago. from Amazon, these cake pop holders. And I don't do this too often. I used to do it with my grandkids, but I haven't done it in a while. But I really like those a lot, those stands. I have found maybe just doing a little bit instead of a lot of it is the way to go here. Okay, now, just for the heck of it, let's try. Hold on, let me get some coffee because you know me, I don't do anything without my coffee. Okay, let's try something a little different here. Okay, that's so beautiful. Oh my God, look at that. Right? Isn't that pretty? Love that. I don't know if you're really getting it picked up in the light, but I love that with with the sugar sprinkles. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah, let's do some more of those. And you know what? Let's make some little designs here. Oh, you know what? Let's get crazy. Hold on. Okay. How cute is that? Right? I mean, we're just going to try all different kinds of things. Coconut with the sprinkles on the coconuts. Yeah. Okay, that's cute. I don't, oops. Yeah, dummy. That's cute. I don't care who you are. I love that. I might just add these sprinkles to all of them because I'm loving it. Pink sugar, it's called. Oops. This is a birthday card that I got from my sister, so it's like she's here with me when I'm doing my birthday stuff is the way I'm looking at it. Be right back. Hold on. So, I'm just gonna finish up what I have out. And then we're gonna call it. Because guess who's got to eat all these? Well, I do have the wrapper, so I guess I could freeze them then. But I'm not complaining because I don't mind with the goods. You know what I'm saying?